Pro tip, when you get one of those trash remanufactured transmissions with all the crappy gray paint all over it and they don't clean anything, and it comes from somewhere else because it's got an issue, and your sensor, one of your sensors looks like this. I did not do this. It looked crooked before I got it, but it did break the housing when I pulled this out. How you get the rest of it out of that dirty hole that was not cleaned and just spray painted all over with the lovely gray paint, this is how you get it out, or how I got it out. Torch and a 90-degree pick. Heat the crap out of the tip, and you can go in there, melt it, let it cool, and then pry it up. Let me show you what we're working with. There it is. Transfer shaft speed sensor, and I think output shaft speed sensor in that hole. So in that hole that this pick is in is where that thing broke off. So I heated that 90-degree tip and I sunk it down in there sideways. Okay, like so. That pick is in there and it just heated up, and I pushed sideways because you burn a hole in the plastic, and you can twist this and wiggle it up. There, it just fell out. Right there. This is our half of our sensor that broke off, and you can see the hole in the side of it where I just melted that pick to get the thing out, just in case you're having trouble. So this is broke down in the hole, like so. You take your 90-degree pick, heat up the tip of it, I'll put it in, wherever this goes, put it in and turn it sideways and burn a hole in the side of that casing that's in there. So it actually look like that. You can see the tip sticking through. After you let it burn a hole in there a minute, let it cool off, and then you can start twisting this thing and pulling it up out of that hole and wiggling it back and forth. But anyway, I guess if you break off any sensor in any transmission or anything in any hole like that, and you can get a pick in there like I just did, that's how I got it out. Notably on the super dirty gray spray painted transmissions. I hope that helps someone else out there that runs into issues with poor workmanship like this.